Are we starting to peak? Is this starting to level off in terms of activity with this wave of Omicron? I do think it's too early to say for our region. A couple of things that are looking promising. So one, as I mentioned previously, that our test positivity has come down, which I think is one of the indicators that we can look at. The number of outbreaks that are being newly declared each day has slowed. So we were at several days where we were seeing 5 or 6 new updates or new outbreaks being declared, and this seems to be slowing a little bit. And I think we can also look to neighboring jurisdictions and what's happening in other areas of the province. So if we look to, say, Ottawa Public Health, which is looking at their wastewater surveillance, has this really plateaued? Across HKPR, I find that we're about a week behind some of our neighboring jurisdictions. As a more rural region, it takes a little bit longer for us to start to see wider spread COVID-19 activity. So we don't tend to peak or plateau at the same time as some of these other jurisdictions. But we know as we watch their trends that we will be following soon as well. So I do think that there are some promising indicators that we're quite close to peaking or plateauing, if not reaching it already. Certainly modeling have predicted that by the end of January we would have peaked, and I think that we're still on that path, and fingers crossed potentially a bit sooner than the end of the month. Again, too soon to tell for sure, but I think we do have reason to have some optimism and looking forward to coming out on the other side of this wave.